These are the trays that the water was in. I spray them with my vinegar and water after I dump them out. And then, obviously I rinse them. And because what happens with the water trays, you can get like a really thin little film on there. Even though I rinse them out every 24 hours, I want to make sure there's no slimy film in there whatsoever. So I just kind of put my fingers on there. I sprayed them with vinegar and water. I rinse them out real good. Sorry about that. Got the camera there. Rinse them out really good. And then we have osmosis water. So then after that, or if you don't have osmosis water, filter water, yeah, this is filter water, so it comes out really clean drinking water. So that's what I fill their water trays with. That's how I do their water trays every day. Now, I also use the sink when I scrub the cages. I use that scrub brush, so I'm also using the same sink. So when I'm done, I spray the sink down with vinegar. I have a bottle that I have like this. You can use vinegar water, but I use vinegar water and Dawn dish soap. And I mix all that up together in a bottle and spray this whole sink and then rinse it out. Because you want your sinks clean too after you've been messing with the bird stuff, and you don't want to use that same sink for yourself. So that's what I do, how I clean the water trays.